Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's December 29th, 2024, about 10:45 or so. And Doc came over to get my trailer, and we're heading to Tampa. We're gonna go get a parts truck for parts for that Chevy pickup right over there, and also for the Tahoe that's sitting down there. I'm not for sure what parts we have, but it was a free truck. So we're heading there with a Doc's truck with a Cummins. It'll pull pretty good. My 460 and my 1-ton would just suck the gas, and it would cost me a fortune to get this free truck. So that's today's mission. All right, Doc's driving us to Tampa to get this parts truck, and we can see there is going to be snow. Hopefully we get it on the trailer without too much issue. Hopefully Jacob's got a tractor or something that's running, or the winch off a Jeep or something or another. It has no engine in it. It was a diesel, and he had a 454 in it, which he pulled. It was a tranny catch on fire. So got tired of it, catch on fire, so he gave it to us. That's good. All right, we're loaded and ready to go here. Everything is tied down. Okay, we made it home. Doc's unhooking the truck right here because the ground is saturated. We'll have to move this when the ground freezes. So hopefully no one steals the truck or the trailer with the truck on it. But yeah, see how soft the ground is. And this has got a ton of gravel on it. Well, I did. It's all sunk. This is a 1990 GMC 3/4 ton pickup. It used to have a diesel in it. The guy I got it from had a 454 in it, and he was plowing snow, and the transmission kept catching on fire. So that was enough for him. So he donated this truck to us for parts for my 1990 Chevrolet pickup. And so I also got a Tahoe since then, which will get some of the parts. And like the taillights, I have aftermarket taillights on my Tahoe. We'd rather have the stock ones. And I may end up have Doc put these 3/4 ton axles under the Tahoe. Don't know yet. It's something to think about. So anyway, this is our parts truck, and we got plans for it. And stay tuned to this channel, and we'll show you the updates when they happen. Thanks for watching.